Hey students! Want to know how to land a high-paying job by 2025? These 5 skills are exactly what you need to secure your future, and the best part, you can learn them all online. Watch the complete video to find out about free certificate courses from Google, Microsoft, and IBM to kickstart your career. Skill 1: Data Science and Cloud Computing. Companies today rely on data to grow. It's predicted that data science will be one of the most in-demand jobs by 2025, with salaries starting at $100,000. And guess what? According to a report by IBM, the demand for data scientists is projected to increase by a staggering 28% by 2025. You can learn it in just 6 months with courses from Coursera. We would suggest you to check out IBM Data Science Professional Certificate if you wish to start your career as a data science expert. Thinking about the fees? We got you. It costs around $39 per month, totaling approximately $234 for 6 months. Invest in your future. All you need is basic math and some programming knowledge to get started. Skill 2: Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. 2025 is the key year to which Gartner's projections point. By then, the AI software market will reach a value of $134.8 billion, with a significant acceleration in its growth. To be more precise, the AI market grew by 14.4% in 2021 and will grow to 31.1% by 2025, outpacing the growth of the overall software market. Start now with basic Python courses, and within a year, you can dive deep into AI with online certifications. You can have a look at our blog in the description if you want to enhance your coding skills. AI professionals will see a 40% job growth by 2025. Skill 3: Cybersecurity. Cybercrime is getting bigger, and so is the demand for cybersecurity experts. By 2025, global cybercrime is expected to cost $10.5 trillion annually. Protecting data and systems will be crucial, and you can get started with just basic IT knowledge, with a 3 to 6 month certification like CompTIA Security Plus. Also, we would like for you to go through the Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificate, which costs around $29.22. You'll be ready to enter this booming industry. Skill 4: Digital Marketing. Love creativity? Then digital marketing is for you. Digital marketing jobs are growing at 9% annually, and by 2025, 55% of marketing roles will require digital skills. You can learn digital marketing on platforms like Udemy in just 3 to 6 months with an investment under $500. No degree is needed. Skill 5: Process automation. Last but not least, process automation. Among larger firms, the trend is even more pronounced, as 80% of these organizations anticipate adopting labor, replacing automation within the next year. Learning to automate processes can make you a valuable asset. You don't need a high-tech background, just basic IT skills and a course from LinkedIn Learning. In 6 months, you can help companies save time and money. These 5 skills are what you need to land a high-paying job by 2025. The best part? You can learn them online at your speed, and now comes the bonus part. Register now for the free certificate courses. Find the links in the description below. AWS Educate, Cloud Computing 101. IBM Data Science Professional Certificate. HubSpot Academy, Content Marketing Certification. So which skill are you starting with? Drop a comment on which skill excites you the most, smash that like button, and subscribe for more tips on securing your future career.